Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another home decor haul. Yes, I know y'all missed them. But you guys, we are about to head on out to Ross. Remember I told you guys that there is a empty wall pretty much in our living room. So we want to head to Ross and see if they have some really nice wall art. Looking for some like framed picture art there, so we're really hoping that they have something like that. Also, we're looking for a few more pieces to go into the living room and a few other like just little Ross finds, I guess, as well, because y'all know Ross is the spot, right? They have a ton of like home decor things and everything like that. But also just wanted to come and open up the vlog as well, you guys, give you guys a real quick OOTD of the day, girl. So we are rocking these really cute like abstract art earrings, y'all. I picked these up off of Temu. This little top right here, girl, I got this from Five Below. Yes ma'am. And then we have on our Ana Luisa necklace. These pants, y'all, I just picked these up from Shein. They're just like really wide leg pants. And then we have on our everyday jewelry, Tonya Latrice bracelet, Coach bracelet, and of course my wedding band. Yeah, and that's the OOTD. We are rocking it with this cute little orange purse here, you guys. I think I picked this up from Shein. I've actually had this for a few years. I had this ever since Las Vegas. And so these are the sunnies of the day. Y'all see the look? Yes, ma'am. It's very much giving summertime vibes. And I love that because it is actually a really beautiful day here in St. Louis, you guys. The sun is shining. I hope it doesn't look like it's gonna rain. So yeah, let's go ahead, grab our Uber, and I will catch you guys in the car.
Don't make me cry, son.
Probably so.
Yeah. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin. Yeah.
And they have two different shapes. That's what I like this one.
That is pretty. I like how it.
For what they say, 500 million on the face, feel like KK. And I know the city that we from, not the same place. But I know you riding with your twin till we find a way. We used to have nothing to our names, still had great days. Always kept me umbrella up when the rain came. You tell me you want something, I'ma tell you the same thing. Now when we come through inside this bitch, they gotta make.
Where is babe? Where did she go? Let's go look at some dresses. Guys, we didn't do too much damage. We are now waiting on our Uber. We got this cutesy little cat bag, reusable bag from out of there, but now we are waiting on our Uber. Baby is calling it now for us.
Hello, I wasn't sure if I had to open it. I know you were standing back from it.
I feel good, boy. Take with your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting.
Hey y'all, we have made it back home and it is time for the home decor haul. Now remember I told you guys before that we were doing like a living room refresh and we wanted to do some different pictures over here on this wall. So let me show you what we picked up. Go get your ass out of here. Go sit the hell down. Go sit down. You always trying to do stuff when I'm recording. Woo! Y'all, these are heavy. Okay, so this is from the Artisan collection. You guys, it actually comes with a set of 2 pictures. It's like an embroidered wall art framed canvas. Now, I love that. It's 24 inches by 36 inches. So as you can see, it is very nice size, you guys. And it was $49, so $50 for 2 pictures like this. Like, hold on, thumbnail. You honestly cannot beat that though. I love this. I do believe the pictures that we have hanging up in our bathroom that we got from Ross are also from the Artisan collection as well. Okay, you guys, so another piece that will be going in the living room refresh is this gorgeous bowl. Like, y'all, get into that. Isn't that beautiful? Like, and it's super heavy. I want to say, y'all, this must be like real marble. We actually got it for a really good deal, so I was really excited that it was on sale. So that was really nice. And let me show you what we are going to sit this on, because as you guys know, we recently got a new coffee table for the living room. So we did pick up this here gorgeous table centerpiece, you guys. Look at this. And then it has like these little legs on it that allows it to sit up off of the table, which is really nice. And I just love the shape of this, you guys, because as you know, our coffee table is like a different shape. Like it looks like a piece of abstract or like mid-century modern type of home decor. And so this, I felt like it would just go perfect. Baby saw it and she was like, and she was like, babe, this piece, and we talked about it going on the table, and we was like, that would go so perfect. So then we saw this. It's gonna be hard for me to do this, but we saw it like this, and we were just like, okay, now that is going to look good on top of the coffee table. So remember I told you guys that we are also doing a bathroom refresh as well. So we did pick up this really nice, it's a shower curtain tension rod, and I just love how it's made, like right here along the holders of it and everything. You guys, I said this is really nice because I know you guys are like, what? Well, actually we did that bathroom like some months ago. So I do like to keep our home decor nice and refreshed, just always trying to bring like new home decor to our apartment. And also I like to move things around in the house as well. So yeah, this was a really nice rod, and it says that you can use it in the shower, your windows, or your closet. So I love that for us. Okay, y'all, so we also picked up this really nice bathroom rug. Now, one thing I love about Ross is that you can get like really high-end and really nice luxury home decor pieces at a discounted price. And a lot of times you can get them like, it comes with like 2 rugs. And I love that. And you know how the ones they have it, like no salt on Walmart or anything like that. It's just sometimes I feel like their rugs and everything can give you like a little bit of cheap vibes. So I go to Ross and get them, you guys. This little set right here wasn't anything but $12.99, and it's very thick, as you can see. It is machine washable. This is like the back of it, or maybe this is the front, child. I don't know. You know what? It looks reversible. Honestly, to be completely honest with you, this looks reversible. But what you think, babe?
I think it might be. It looks reversible, yeah. It looks like you put it on either side.
I love that for us. Okay, yes, y'all. But yes, don't go to, like I said, the Walmart or the Turkish Girl. Go to your local Ross, not your Marshalls or your TJ Maxx. Go to your local Ross and pick something like this up. They have a ton of colors, and this is the Mason Home with the set of 2, and it comes with the 17 by 24 inch and a 20 by 32 inch. So that is a really good deal. Also, to go with the bathroom refresh, we thought we would go ahead and just pick up another shower curtain liner as well. And this looked like a really good brand, you guys, only $4.99. And I like how it's like ribbed. You guys see that? See how it's like a ribbed material? And this is by Essential Linens. And it was only $4.99. So we were like, that's perfect. And like I said, you can always, I feel like you can always get really nice quality home decor, home styling for like your interior designs. Y'all, I just saw 2 literally 4 blue jays just flew into that tree. So I'm sorry, y'all, that threw me off, but I just saw 1, 2, 3, 4 blue jays fly into the tree right here by our home. I hope they come and eat at our little bird feeders. But anywho, girl, completely off topic. But yes, y'all, so this, I felt like it was really good deal. So like I said, for your home decor needs, girl, run on over to that Ross, because y'all know they have really good stuff. That's why I'm showing you, sis, so you can run on over there and pick you some up. And last but not least, in this home decor haul, you guys, it's this really cute shower curtain. Like, look at that color, you guys, and it is super soft. It's like a waffled material, and I love that. This here is a 72 by 72 inch shower curtain, so I hope it's long enough. But we're doing something a little bit different in this bathroom refresh. So I figure we'll be able to kind of let this shower curtain that we have now like down a little bit because of the style and interior design that we're going to do on that little makeover over there. Okay, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this home decor haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, because it is about that time for a nice little home refresh, and I told you guys I wanted to start going to some different stores, so I thought it would be fitting to give you guys a Ross home decor haul. Hope that you guys enjoyed that. Now, in coming videos, you guys know we will be styling our home with these pieces that we got today. So you guys will be seeing that video on Wednesday, so I really hope that you guys enjoy that. And of course, I told you guys, you know, Sundays are for our apartment tours. I will be sure to leave 2 amazing apartment tours for you guys to go ahead and check out, because we are apartment hunting here in St. Louis. So yeah, but we are still doing home decor in our home as well, because honey, we ain't gonna do nothing but take it with us, right? Okay. But yeah, y'all, that is going to be the end of this day in my life vlog, honey. Just a little cutesy, you know, going out to Ross, seeing what they have, and collecting some pieces so we can go ahead and start doing these little refreshes. And I figure we might as well just start with the living room, work our way into the bathroom, and we're gonna be in that kitchen as well, and also the bedroom. So yeah, honey, that is the end of the video. Until next time, I will see y'all in the next home decor haul. Love y'all. Bye.